Magandang araw mga Viajero! For today's video, we are going to Kapehan sa Bulod. Arat na! Ooh, it's been so long since the last time I uploaded a video. In the past few months, there had been some changes in my life, so I had to focus on fixing those first. Had to move from different places and had to change career, but just like this road, despite of some challenges in life, we still need to continue and try to reach our destination. So here we are. I am currently in Bulan, Sorsogon with my family. Sorsogon is close to my heart. On my mother's side, this is where our relatives live in. Sorsogon has always been making my summer exciting with their beaches, hot springs, mountainous views, and of course, my relatives' family reunion. On my next videos, I'll try my very best to showcase the beauty of this province. But for today, let's explore Kapehan sa Bulod. This has been part of my checklist since they opened back in 2020, but wasn't able to visit this place as I was informed that only motorcycle can access it. From Bulan proper, it would take 20 to 30 minutes of driving to reach this place, so it's close enough. Kayang-kaya, diba? Konting ahon lang and here we are! Welcome to Kapehan sa Bulod. Siyempre dahil gutom na tayo, later na lang ang vlog. Order na muna! As you can see, the foods that they offer are budget-friendly. Very affordable sa mga students natin. Nako, gas na lang ang problema mo and pwede mo nang dalhin dito ang dililigawan mo. Sana all! Siyempre, since merienda time, we ordered sinapot, pansit canton, siomai, and kahit mataas pa ang araw, yes, we tried their coffee. Kapehan daw eh. Self-service dito so they will just call you when the food is ready. Eto mga pinsan ko. Kagwapo, diba? Oops, bawal pa. Bata pa mga yan. Eto na, let's eat! And yes, that's me, your masibang Viajero. Oops, napalta na pala. Now that we're done eating, time to explore the beauty of this place. Tara, I'll tour you around, starting with this chair. Oh, lakas maka Game of Thrones! And look at the background! You just need to find the right angle and may pang-DP ka na naman! So these are the huts where we ate earlier. It's free, yes? So don't worry. Umulan man o umaraw, may masisilungan ka. If you have a date, just bring Christmas lights siguro, then the ambience will definitely be romantic. Wag nang wine, mahal. Bawal maarte dito. They offer sandmig and red horse. Yun na lang. Just drink moderately and do not drive if you are drunk. Naku, baka masisipa ako dito ha. If you want some privacy, pwede naman. Some of their nipa huts or bahay kubo are for rent. By looking at it, it's worth it. Look at this one. Though it's small, at the back, you'll have a spectacular mountainous view. Di ka nalugi. Heto pa, more kubo. Perfect tambayan ng barkada or small reunions. The internet connection is not that strong so you don't have the option to go online and chat someone. And for me, that's what I need. It's nice to have that personal connection with people around you. Punta naman tayo sa likod. I heard it has a better view so let's try. Come on, walk with me. Ooh, looks relaxing. Walking here feels like you'll be having your wedding photo shoot, so better bring your partner with you. Tingnan nyo naman. I thought it's just a mountain view. My beach view then, and standing here feels like you'll be giving your vows to each other. Ay, ang ganda! You can visit this place with your partner, with barkada, or family, and I'm sure they'll be happy here. Now, if you're single and planning to travel alone, I don't see any problem. With its fresh air and majestic sceneries, it will help you to think, plan, and realign yourself with your goals in life. So whatever the reason is and whoever you are with, you'll enjoy this place. Come on, labas ka na ng bahay. Life is full of adventure, so grab that opportunity while you still can. Again, this is your Tinderong Viajero. See you on our next videos. Next time, I'll be back here. Sama ka?